This is ANCwear. It's a smartwatch. Keep fit, keep live. So let's get a nice close-up look. I'll go over some of the details of the smartwatch. As we open up the package, be careful how it comes out. We have the instruction guide for the ANC207. There's a lot of information provided in the manual, so please go over it, check it out. You get a USB cable. It is a dedicated cable, so please don't lose it or misplace it. It's a magnetic mount, so let's go plug this in, give the smartwatch a charge. You get a rubber strap that is black. Simply take off the end by pulling out carefully. Over here, there's a little lever that you pull. You're going to slide in the hinge. Do your best to lock it into place. And there you go. This is a smartwatch. It's just under 2 inches in size. This is where you're going to charge the smartwatch to by placing the dedicated charger on. It locks into place and will start to charge. In order to see the charge, you're going to need to peel the film off. And I'll show you again the unit charging. Smartwatch, smartphone, they're going to pair together. The first thing you're going to do is download the application, go into your Bluetooth, and choose ANCwear Smartwatch. After the smartwatch is fully charged, it'll be in the on position. You're going to swipe down, go to gear, scroll to the bottom, go to the about, get the application QR symbol, go to your camera, turn back on the smartwatch. You only got 5 seconds to take that picture, and you're going to change everything in your smartwatch by going into the button and tapping it, backing out, display, auto sleep. You're going to change it to 30 seconds for this review. Fit is the application that you're going to download, and now you're going to go into your Bluetooth setting and look for the Fit ANCwear code. ANC207, you connect. Fit application, we open up. I'm going to start to pair the unit, send notifications. It will not add the device because there is no ANCwear in here. Add the device, and there is ANCwear 207, and now we can officially connect correctly. You notice you got steps, sleep, blood pressure, and so forth, and a pair request has been asked. We have blood oxygen, outdoor running, and we could look for more record. On the smartwatch, the unit's off. If we plug in the charger, it'll start to show the charging, and it'll automatically turn the unit on, so you don't need to turn the unit on. In order to turn the unit off, you long press the side button, and you hit the off. Now the unit's off. In order to turn it on without the power cable, you hit the 3 o'clock side button. It'll vibrate and turn on. You can swipe down and get into some of the features, the little icons. You notice the blue upper left, that is the Wi-Fi, vibrate, the MAC number of the unit, a theater mode, the weather, a cog, and the brightness. To get into the mode, you're going to swipe down, and if you want to get out of it, you swipe up. If up doesn't work, then you hit the side button once. If you swipe from down to up, your phone will show messages over here. If you swipe to the left or to the right, nothing's going to happen. If you swipe upward again, nothing's going to happen. So those are the two windows, the icons of everything the watch has and the messages down here. If you swipe this way over here or swipe this way over here, this side is going to show you all the icons of everything I'm going to show you on the other side. Steps, blood pressure, running, oxygen, and so forth. So let's show you that. If you swipe again, nothing's going to happen. If you swipe up, you get to the gear and so forth. So we're on the main screen, and we go to the large icons, your steps. Let's back up to the steps. Notice this little tab. Down here, you can swipe up, and it'll show you the miles you walked, the calories you burned, how many steps, and a chart. Back out of it, you have steps, your heart rate. Again, you could look at all the information provided. Please wear the watch and try again. That's what it's telling you. I do apologize if the screen starts to show down. There is the data. It's trying to tell you some information. And let's get to the screen and show you the next one. Sleep. It tells you some information as well. SpO2, your oxygen level. Your blood pressure. The weather. Now, if you want to change some of the information in the weather or see what's there, you're going to have to go into the actual app and start to change things around, the Celsius and Fahrenheit. The shutter. You can control the camera of your smartphone through here by pressing. You have a player. You can control your music via your smartphone. It's a remote control. Your breathing. And back to the screen. So now to use further information of your smartphone, of the smartwatch, you're going to open up the application. Allow ANC 207 to receive information of your smartphone. In order for things to work, you're going to have to allow ANCwear to fit access to everything. And then we're able to start to work items. I got a picture of the box. I go into my smartphone and I look for the hard way, the camera. There's the camera. I just taken a picture. I back out and show you the picture I've just taken. We're in the Fit app. If we open up the steps, all that information will be stored here. We go into the smartphone. We could change the front face to any of the ones that are shown over here. We can grab more information. We could remove the device. We could get notified, show alarms, the shutter, others, and upgrade. We have a profile, the goal, the health, about. In others, we have find device, so if we lose something, we can find it. A battery saving, do not disturb, and so forth. A quick view, remind me to drink water. Here's the weather, the temperature format in Fahrenheit. So now when I take my phone and I can see the weather 53 degrees the correct way. If I want to look at it over here, there it is. I'm wearing the watch this particular way just to show you. We are going to go to the heart rate. It's reading 85 beats per minute. It's going to read my heartbeat about 30 seconds later and show exactly what my beat is about. If I swipe up, you can see the amount of readings I have. I went from 95 to 81. It shows my maximum and minimum level. If I go to the next one and I want to look at blood pressure. In blood pressure, I read 119/79. In order to see blood pressure, what I am going to do is swipe into blood pressure. When I'm in blood pressure, you see the thing starting to blink. And within 30 seconds or so, you can see it's timing in there. I would see my reading of my blood pressure. If I swipe up and down, you can see I did it 2 times. 124/76. The last time was 119 over. So this is pretty consistent. I'm going to go take a small walk, and then I'm going to show you what my steps are about. We're in steps. I did about 60 steps. It's going to take a little while for this to calculate, and it does it in a matter of a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes. On the smart watch, you have your steps. If you long press the steps, you have a goal. You can remove the goal. And on here, if you press on the foot, you see the steps I made. And you can go through some of the information provided over here, the days you walked and so forth. If you want to remove this goal, you just simply follow the instructions. You hit the remove. There is a lot of information on this product. Now, when I take this off of my wrist, I could feel some warmth, not a lot, and that may be because of the backing of the lights and so forth that go on the unit. This unit will show low power mode. If you get too low in power, you can always turn it off. Get your charging cable, charge it in, leave it there for a couple of hours, and you'll be good to go. The ANCwear Smart Watch is an awesome fitness watch for anybody that's looking to have something that will remind them, show them the exercise schedules, and so forth. I hope this product will be right for you.